VU Masterpiece TV with 85-inch 4K HDR QLED panel launched in market, priced at 350,000 rupees. VU Masterpiece TV, the latest flagship television from the Indian company, has been launched at 350,000 rupees. The television is available in a single 85-inch size option, and has a 4K HDR QLED screen, with support for the Dolby Vision HDR standard and a 50 watts built-in soundbar. Interestingly, the television also features a built-in Windows 10 PC as an optional upgrade, with support for video conferencing through an included camera. The Android TV 9 Pi-powered smart television is available to buy across retail stores in market. VU Masterpiece TV specifications and features. The company's flagship television, the VU Masterpiece TV, is among the most expensive in the range at 350,000 rupees. For the price though, the television packs in a lot, including an 85-inch Ultra HD QLED screen, which supports HDR up to the Dolby Vision format. The television has a maximum refresh rate of 120 Hz, and a rated peak brightness of 1000 nits. There is also local dimming on the VU Masterpiece TV, with 256 zones built into the LED backlight. The television comes in a single black and Armani gold color option. Built into the front of the TV is a soundbar speaker. The 6-speaker system has a rated sound output of 50 watts, and support for the Dolby MS12 and DTS:X formats. Smart TV functionality is present, with the VU Masterpiece TV running on Android TV 9 Pi, with support for all major apps and streaming services including Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and Hotstar. There is also Google Assistant on the TV, accessed through the microphone on the Bluetooth-enabled remote. A unique feature on the VU Masterpiece TV is the optional upgrade of a built-in Windows 10 PC, which is powered by an Intel Core i5 processor. Also included are a camera, wireless keyboard with a built-in trackpad, and a wireless microphone, making the TV suitable for productivity and work-related functions. The Android TV functionality runs on a separate quad-core processor, with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage for apps and app data. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.